Hey YouTube, this is a tour of my farm. This is my 5-bedroom farmhouse, which is 122 years old. This is my sandbox. It's really messy right now. I don't play on it anymore because I'm older. This is my dirt bike track that I have. It's kind of overgrown. So we're going to be having a half-mile dirt track out here once we take part of that field. This is our dog kennel, pen, whatever you want to call it. Go this way. My farm is 40 acres roughly. Well, 39, but we have dogs, chickens, and cows, and raccoons that like to eat our chickens. Caught 2 of them already. And this is our cow yard. And then they go down the alley and then out into the pasture way out there. And then this is our pole barn. My dad has his own company, an asphalt company. This is the pole barn. So, and then we have my cow barn right there. Fence. And it's kind of hard to get through here still. So, okay. This is our cow barn. This is our tool room. And this is another way to get in our barn. Okay. This is our cow. Okay. There's a whole bunch of cows down there, and then there's one down here. It's pretty dirty in here. This is back when the old days where they used to milk the cows right here. This part of the barn is 122 years old, and you can see they used trees for the beams. We replaced them because it kind of got old. And this is where we get the feed for our cows from the silo. And we dump it into a little bucket thing. We have 2 silos. All the way down there is where we keep some grain/oats. And then I'll show you our chicken coop, which we recently lost 4 chickens in the last week from a family of raccoons, and more of our cows. And we caught 2 of them. We believe there's 2 more. They were only the baby ones. We have an outside little pen for our chickens, which can't go outside yet because the raccoons keep coming in, and we need to figure out ways to keep them out. This is the back of our chicken coop, which is all messed up from the raccoon chasing our chickens, and there's some feathers and stuff. Gross poop. Now here's our remaining chickens. The rooster is Kevlar. The white hen is Snowbird. And then that gate over there is where they can go outside. That's where our hens used to lay their eggs. Now only 1. We're looking for more on Craigslist and stuff. And that's that. And then we have another barn right over there, which I'll go by. It's more of a storage area, so don't really have much in there. And the door is kind of hard to open. This is where we buried most of our chickens. And we had to put things around our little chicken coop area because the raccoons like to dig under the thing. Okay. This is like storage area where we could go. There's some upstairs. Looks like there's raccoons in here. And so there's an upstairs. There's nothing really up there last time I checked. Up there. Ooh, it's hot up here. See, this is what's up here. Nothing. There's our side of the barn that's still painted, because this part was added on in like the 1950s. So, or I don't know when it was added on, around there. And then there's a door right there where this used to be another place for cows way back when. So what's this? That's just more. We used to have a horse. That used to be our pasture for a horse, which is turned into some piles of dirt and weeds. This is where our rocks are for asphalt and stuff. Here's one of my dad's old trucks. And then this is our where we can get cows in and out easier. There's our tractor. And here's the gate. And then in here is where our bull used to be, which we haven't had one for a while because I don't know why. And now you can see the bigger part of my, well, you can see more of my barn. There are 2 silos and our barn and stuff. Here's our field. And then I will hopefully, well, I'm going to attempt to open these big doors to our hay loft. I don't know how much hay there's in there, but might be stuff in the way. So, might not be able to go in there. One out, one better. That's wood. Yeah, we have to have this wood here because these doors like to pull out like that. We don't want them to come off the hinges. Here we go. See, here's some round bale feeders, round bales. More hay up there. Sometimes it's all the way up there. This is where some of our straw is. And then there's hay all the way over in the middle. And then way over there is some more straw. And I'll climb over here. Hopefully I don't encounter a raccoon because I'll flip. So, I'm scared of them. But they should be scared of me because last time I found one I shot it. So. This is the other part of our barn. This part's newer than all the other stuff. Okay, now we're on hay. Here's some of our straw. How much of hay up here? Oh, jeez. So, here's a hole where you can throw down hay to our cows. There's some cows down there. And then there's another, we have these latch doors up there where we can have the hay come through with the excavator thing. And then here's another way to get in. This is where I should have got in from. But otherwise, that's basically my whole farm, other than the fields and stuff. But then the next video, if you want to see my house, it should be up soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.